Alright YouTube, part 3, second half of the box. I didn't think it would take this long, but there's a lot of cards in these packs, and they're hard to open. I hope you're enjoying the artwork. It's really interesting to see. Some nice artwork. Hellcat. Nighthawk. He looks like that guy with used to come on like Adult Swim, the white and red and black hat thing. Mask. Gotcha. More of a crossover. Moreland. Jack of Hearts. I think I already got that. Dark Beast. Book of Cagliostro. Blade. Oh, that's nice, Blade. Trial by Jury. Pilgrim. Chameleon. And Zabu. Submariner. Red Skull. Moon Knight. Sacrifice. Getting some doubles now. Ah, really? This guy has a holo? Ronin. Sanctum Sanctorium. Spider sense is tingling. Wolverine not dead yet. Suffocation. I'm gonna get some better holos. I want that Stark's protege. Spider-Man Robot. We had a team up. Legion of Losers. Silver Surfer. Hulk Holo. Cool. Ego Gem. Madeline Pryroar. Wow. Planet of Symbiotes. That's my first of that. Teleportation Ring, Mortar the Mystic, Sabu, Green Goblin, and John Walker. Demon of Fire, Hellstorm, Starcrossed, Doubles, Quintino, Wild Pack, Hulk playing pool, Punisher, Doppelganger, Stark Tower, Trapster. Nice Venom, finally. Better artwork for Venom. Poker Knight. Target Practice. Ghost Rider. Spider Slayer VX. Demonic Association. Black Rose. Catch You Later. Paladin. Stupid Guy. Baron Mordo. Black Cat. Nice. I like Black Cat. She's cool. Professor X. I haven't got any good holos yet, or interesting ones that I would like to keep. Queen Lilith. Demo Goblin. Kind of vampire. Hate this guy. Monster Island. Location. That's cool, it's like a stadium. Weirdest Aunt May card ever. Wolverine. Spider-Mobile. It's the first of that. And Gargoyle. Last pack of this vid. Venom. Deathlock. Got that as a holo. I like this Spider-Man. Really crappy holos. It's like, oh, this is nice artwork. Let's get something else as a holo. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. One more set of packs to go. Thanks for watching.